Hi everyone, welcome to BlockSnack, your daily crypto wrap-up for Wednesday, April 15th, 2026. We break down Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blockchain news, fast, clear, and without the hype. I'm Jack, and I'll walk you through what matters today. If that sounds useful, hit subscribe and follow the channel.
BlockSnack.
In this video, we explore AlphaPepe's Binance listing talks and XRP's bullish price prediction, Bitcoin's potential large move signal, declining USDT and USDC activity on Ethereum, Bitcoin's institutional maturity, XRP's DeFi Momentum, Ripple Ledger's privacy enhancements, and Zero G Labs' AI platform launch. And just as always, a quick disclaimer. This content is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research. Now with that out of the way, let's dive in. AlphaPepe is making waves with its recent discussions to list on Binance, driven by a robust pre-sale response that has already raised over $850,000 with more than 7,600 holders. Each token is currently priced at $0.01450, and the project boasts immediate token delivery with no vesting or claim delays. A full 1010 block SAFU security audit has been conducted, ensuring a safe entry into public trading. The project is set to launch on decentralized and Tier 1 centralized exchanges in Q2 2026, leveraging AI-driven contract screening and whale tracking on the Binance Smart Chain. Meanwhile, XRP has achieved a significant regulatory milestone. On March 17, 2026, the SEC and CFTC classified XRP as a digital commodity, ending years of legal ambiguity. This classification paves the way for bullish price forecasts, with analysts targeting $3 to $5 for 2026, contingent on the passage of the Clarity Act. If passed, Standard Chartered projects XRP could reach $8 by year-end 2026. Institutional interest is surging, with 7 XRP ETFs trading in the US holding over $1 billion in assets, and weekly fund inflows reaching $119.6 million, the largest since December 2025. Moving on to Bitcoin, it recently flirted with the $76,000 resistance level, but couldn't maintain the breakout, settling around $74,000. This resistance has held for over 2 months. However, a rare market signal indicates a potential bottom forming. On Binance, Bitcoin's perpetual futures have had negative funding rates for 46 consecutive days, a situation last seen after the FTX crash in late 2022, which marked a market bottom. Negative funding rates coupled with rising open interest suggest a crowded short position, often a precursor to sharp upward moves as shorts unwind. Ether is showing similar patterns, retreating from $2,400 but still gaining 2.5% daily. Traditional markets like the Nasdaq and S&P 500 are showing strength, contrasting Bitcoin's consolidation, which is about 40% below its all-time high of $126,000. Now for stablecoins, on-chain data shows that daily active addresses for USDT and USDC on Ethereum have dropped to their lowest levels since December 2025. USDT's active addresses are down to about 202,300, while USDC's are at 109,300. This decline indicates reduced transaction activity and user engagement. Stablecoins are crucial as dry powder in crypto markets, representing capital parked away from volatile assets. The current decline suggests a temporary dip in demand for stablecoin-related swaps. However, this decrease coincides with a recovery in Ethereum and other assets, hinting that increased volatility could soon reignite stablecoin movement. Next, we explore Bitcoin's 5th halving cycle, which began in April 2024 and is halfway through its expected duration. Unlike previous cycles, marked by exponential gains, Bitcoin has seen modest growth of 15% since the last halving. The price surged to $126,000 in October 2024, before correcting to around $60,000. Institutional ownership now accounts for 42% of Bitcoin's circulating supply, with daily trading volumes exceeding $45 billion. Regulatory frameworks have matured globally, facilitating institutional participation with improved custody guidelines and compliance measures. Institutional investors typically allocate 1 to 5% of assets to Bitcoin for diversification, reflecting its evolution from an experimental asset to a recognized institutional asset class. Moving on to XRP's DeFi Momentum, the SEC recently clarified that certain crypto user interfaces related to XRP might avoid broker-dealer registration if they don't engage in custody or trade execution. This guidance is valid for 5 years and provides clearer regulatory pathways for developers on the XRP ledger. The XRPL features a native decentralized exchange with integrated market infrastructure, reducing the need for separate exchange creation. Analysts believe this clarity could accelerate DeFi development on XRP, potentially advancing faster than other ecosystems due to its built-in infrastructure. Now, let's discuss Ripple Ledger's privacy enhancements. In November 2024, XRPL integrated a zero-knowledge proof feature, enhancing financial privacy while maintaining compliance. This technology uses ZK snarks for transaction verification without revealing sensitive data. The system supports over 1,000 transactions per second with low costs. It allows selective disclosure for authorized parties, addressing privacy concerns that have limited institutional blockchain adoption. Following the announcement, XRP trading volume increased by 15%, showcasing the market's positive response. Finally, ZeroG Labs has launched the ZeroG app, an AI development platform operating on decentralized infrastructure. It allows users to create AI applications using natural language prompts without coding. The platform features real-time previews, iterative editing, and templates for various applications. It integrates with the $0G token for compute usage and supports wallet connectivity for payments. ZeroG Labs is backed by $40 million in seed funding and a $250 million token commitment, with partnerships including Chainlink and Google Cloud. The $0G token is listed on major exchanges like Binance and OKX. That's it for today. Subscribe for daily crypto news, drop a like if this helped, and share it to support the channel. See you tomorrow for your next BlockSnack.